Okay, well, we bought this LED bulbs for string lights at Amazon. They're made of plastic. They won't break, and you see the LED there. So right here we have our string lights on the patio. You can see these ones are made of glass, so they shatter pretty easy, but this one won't. So, all right, this is like 10 inches. This is the incandescent LED. There you go. That was 10 inches. And this one, you can see all smashed. And this one's still good. And it's getting darker. We're gonna light them up and see how they look on the string. See, this is what I'm talking about. This bulb exploded, and now I need to take it out with some pliers. Let's put this string here. There you go. Looks nice. One more. So there you go. As I said, these bulbs look really nice. They just look like the old ones. Same shape, same size. See, this is one of the old ones. And let's just wait until it gets dark so we check the quality and the light they put out. So let's put this to the test. This is the incandescent bulb, and this is the LED bulb. Lit them up. Oh, okay. So we have first the string of really old incandescent bulbs. They look like spheres. This is my first string light that's connected to this other one. Okay, so this is an incandescent LED, incandescent LED. It definitely puts out more light than the regular. You can see that this is another LED, incandescent LED. They're brighter, stronger, and they look nice overall. So highly recommend it. So click on the link if you want to get this product. See you in the next one.